Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate build an internal tool using Airtable Scripting, full guide step by step clearly. To activate and build an internal tool using Airtable Scripting, begin by logging into your Airtable account. Select the base where you want to create your internal tool. Navigate to the scripting app in the Airtable interface. If the scripting app is not installed, click on Apps in the upper right corner. Choose Add an app from the drop-down menu. Search for scripting in the app marketplace. Click on the scripting app and follow the prompts to install it. Once installed, open the scripting app within your selected base. You will see a code editor interface where you can write your script. Before writing your script, identify the functionality you want to implement. Decide if you'll be creating a tool for data entry, reporting, or another purpose. Review the Airtable scripting documentation to understand available APIs and methods. Start writing your script by initializing your main function. Use the let command to define variables that will hold your base data. You can pull data from a specific table using the base.getable method. After retrieving the required table, fetch records with the selectRecordsAsync function. Use a loop to process each record as needed. Implement conditional statements to control the flow of your script. Add functionalities like updating records or creating new ones using updateRecordAsync or createRecordAsync. Make use of Airtable's built-in functions to manipulate or format data as necessary. Test your script step by step to ensure it performs as expected. Debug any issues by using console logs to check the values of your variables. Once your script is complete and functioning, save your changes. Review your script for readability and maintainability. Consider adding comments to describe complex sections of your code. Once satisfied, run the script one last time to confirm its effectiveness. If your internal tool is ready, share it with your team by providing access to the base. Monitor the tool's usage and gather feedback for future improvements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.